Friends, I am back on our YouTube channel Limitless with Preeti. In life, everything starts with a baby steps. And when we step ahead, at every step, there are set of processes. You all may be a working professional, maybe an engineer, marketer, doctor, chartered accountants, etc. Your profile may be same, but process of every company is very different. So in every organization, you need to understand the process and get through self. It is in a very similar way. You need to understand what I am saying, why I am saying, and once you acknowledge what and why, how will be very easy job for you all. How you will do it, how you will drive your life will be in your hands. Very simple, right? I want to ask you one question. If you want to be a good chef, what's required? I'm giving you 15 seconds. Please think about it. According to me, three most important things is knowledge of right ingredients, correct recipe, and right skill set. In a similar way, if you all want to become a perfectionist, you need to have the right recipe of life. Friends, in my last video, I have given you the glimpse about life pyramid. I have told you that life is a pyramid of 7 parameters. For all newbies, I have given the link in the description box of my previous video. Going ahead, we all want to excel in all 7 parameters. But have you ever thought how it will happen? To scale in your life, you need to surpass lots of challenges. And to outstrip it, you need to have a strong foundation. We normally hear in monsoon season, maximum number of buildings get collapsed. Why? Because the foundation of that particular building is really very weak. Similar way, we may end up demolishing ourselves if our foundations are weak too. So today, I want to talk to you on two most important pillars of our foundation, and they are discovering your inner self and power of mind. Discovering your inner self and power of mind. These two pillars are ocean in itself. So with every videos, we will try to understand the depth of it. Now my next question is, what do you mean by inner self? Do you think your inner self is your identity? You may be lawyer, doctor, MD, CEO, inspector, politician, chartered accountant, etc. Or do you think it's the role you play in your life? Like a father, a brother, a mother, a sister, a spouse, etc. Or your materialistic life that defines you? An expensive lifestyle. Just remember, your identity cannot be boxed by one identity and label. None of the roles and titles pinpoint who you are. Your identities are an extension of yourself, not who you are. If I show you an image of Mr. Ratan Tata, and if I ask you, who is he? Your answer will be, he is the owner of Tata Group of companies. He is an industrialist. But if you will ask me, I will say he is first Mr. Ratan Tata, and rest of the things are extension of his life. Extension versions of his life. If I ask you about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, we all know that he is a doctor, he is a scientist, he was an ex-president of India. But he have never stopped believing in himself. The moment I take the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, what comes into your mind? That he is really a very humble person. He used to love kids a lot. He is very down to earth person. So that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam traits are this. He has faced many challenges in his life very flawlessly. If you really want to see his life-changing story, please watch this movie Mission Mangal. This will change the complete perception of your life. If you are not connected with really who you are, then you are living life for others. Today, I want to share one story with you. In childhood, we have always heard about a life cycle. That life cycle has 6 phases. First phase is your school life. Second phase is your college life. Third phase is your job life. Fourth phase is your married life. Fifth phase is your family life. And sixth phase is your retirement life. So, have you ever thought when the child is born, he is really very fearless? And then the vicious circle starts. The moment he starts growing, he steps into a competitive world. And from there, intentionally, unintentionally, his wrong programming starts within his life. When a child starts going to school, he becomes the part of the game. Comparison between high average students and low average students. What children normally hear from their parents, teachers. Comparison between the child and other children. If your brother can do it, why can't you do it? If your sisters are good in studies, why can't you good in studies? If your neighbors are good in sports, why you are not good in sports? And then what happens? Leads to low self-esteem, low confidence level. He could not explore his complete potential. The child is always being degraded by his own people. And this may lead to suppression, anger, rage, frustration, fear. And he feels he is never good enough. And he can never do anything in his life. And then we say that today's generation children carry so much stress. Yes, they carry ample amount of stress. It's not the educational stress. It's the mental stress which they are carrying. Because child limits himself and the wrong programming starts. It may sound controversial, but unintentionally, parents, teachers, it become the worst enemy of any child. Parents and society infuse fear in children and make their mind limited. We have always seen who are just an average scorer are top businessmen today. They are really at a very good position. They are living a very good life. The reason, they know themselves better. They know their strengths. They have developed their skill set. And through hard work, they have made their foundation solid. Where even if they fall, they will bounce back. And now the sky is limit for them. So if you help a child to explore his potential to the fullest, if they know their strengths, their limitations, their weaknesses, which can turn into opportunities, they can have clear future goals and visions. They will be mentally and emotionally very strong. They will know their core competences which will help them to flourish in their life. They will respect their values and their foundations will strengthen day by day. Let me give you two big examples. Have you heard about Albert Einstein and Tony Robbins? Who are they? Worldwide, they are two big entities in themselves. Albert Einstein was a below average student. And his principal didn't accepted and expelled him from school because he was not able to write and read at the age till the age of 9. But his mother believed in him and made him believe in himself too. And today he is a renowned scientist ever. We all know who is Tony Robbins. He is a god in training industry. He never went to school. He never went to college. He was a below average student. But his mentor, Jim Rohn, believed in him and made him the person today he is. People come to him to transform their life. He is magician, and with help of his magic wand, he had simply turned around millions and millions and millions of lives. You can just Google it, you can read so many testimonials. So just remember, friends, one thing: your color, your race, your religion, your education, your caste, your qualification, your degree, your horoscope, your family background doesn't define who you are. I seriously want you all to go in your past, open your past file and clear all the blockages. Pick up the right ingredients and build up your life. I know there may be many people who have repents and regrets from their past. Try to analyze it. Reprogram your mind. Let it go from your life and release it forever. You can do one thing. You can take the piece of paper. If you think that wrong programming has been done in your mind, please write the things you never wanted in childhood, but it was imposed on you. Just cancel it. Just write the life which you want. Write your own thoughts, write your own words, and live the life you want to be ever. To remember who are you, you need to forget who they told you to be. I will repeat once again. To remember who are you, then you need to forget who they told you to be. I know it's a very deep thought. This is a very deep thinking. Please think over it. And I know it will change your life forever. In my next video, I will take you through your journey for rest phases of your life. Thank you for listening me, and if you really like my video, please like, comment and share my video. And this is Preeti Gupta, your transformational coach on our YouTube channel Limitless with Preeti. Thank you so much. And happy Janmashtami to all of you.